What's going on, everybody? TJ Got Kicks 89 here, back with another video for you guys. Today we have got a very highly anticipated DC Lynx OG release. It was released in conjunction with, I'll show you the box. In this video I'll be kind of comparing them to the Lux pack that released. But today I've got the Lynx OG Pop Trading Co. Comes in this black box, not the navy DC box that you get. Mine's pretty tatted up. Released over here in Malaysia about a couple of weeks ago, I think. But retail price here in Malaysia is $429. Shipping from Australia is $50. You get this, like I said, black box, embroidered Pop Trading Co. branding there. You get Pop Trading Co. branding there. There on this side you got the DC branding, and on the bottom you don't have the standard copywriting, but you have the Pop Trading Co. thingy there as well. Don't really care about the box. Let's talk about the shoes. Oh, if you're interested in this tissue paper, it has Pop Trading Co. written all across it, but that will get tatted up pretty damn quickly as well. So let's look at the shoe. As usual, I have to remind myself to review the left and not the right shoe. So I'm gonna park the right shoe out there in the back. There. So the DC Lynx OG Pop Trading Company, or Pop Trading Co. Is a twist on an original DC Lynx colorway. Not sure if it was baby blue and whether or not it was a jewel, I want to say swoosh, but the jewel DC logo, but it is the white and gum colorway. A little bit of history on Pop Trading Company. It was once a distributor of skateboarding goods, which started in 2013 in Amsterdam. The owners, I can't remember the name for, but you can Google them. But they are heavy hitters in the skateboarding industry. They started out carrying brands like Palace and other brands that escape my mind right now. But basically the brands that were up and coming in the mid 2013s, where like most European brands started really emerging in the skateboard industry and started putting out products. What's that no comply brand again? God damn. But basically Pop Trading Co. So they eventually came out with their own clothing line, and basically they are catered around the current fashion trend for skateboarding, which is back to the 90s somewhat. So they've also got other collaborations with New Balance and Converse for footwear, obviously, and those are obviously all the way out there on the aftermarket. Don't really care about them. But this is the first DC shoe collab that they have. They also have another shoe out in this pack as well, which is a snowboarding boot, or a hiking boot, or a snow boot, but obviously not going to wear that in this hot humid climate, obviously. So we got the DC Lynx OG instead, which is I wish it was not a collab. I don't know what it is with DC nowadays, with like putting out really sick OG colorways that we've always wanted, but then they have to slap a collab on it. Probably it just meets consumer demands, or it's a marketing ploy or whatsoever. But whatever it is, I think we as skateboarding fans and fans of the footwear style in general are just happy to have this back on our feet. Really nice. Like, taking it out the box just now, you get like this really strong whiff of leather, and you can tell it's pretty soft, it's pretty good. So if you wanted to, if you actually wondered how this compared to the Lux pack, let's just pull that out. Alright, so this is the Lux pack that I have. Haven't worn this yet, obviously, because sayang though. It's fucking white, and like the sole's white too. I wouldn't mind scuffing this shit up because it has a gum sole, but this a little bit. Although I got this for dirt cheap, but okay. So the Lux pack, obviously because it has the stuffing in there still. It's pretty soft and malleable, forms to your feet pretty well. This is more or less the same, but it has like a stronger scent, and I would like to say that on this there's a thicker cut compared to the ones around the toe cap and around this toe area, because which is where you'll be flexing all the time. So the DC Lynx OG Pop Trading Collab, which is the white gum colorway, basically is an all leather shoe. You've got mesh hits over here, much like the Sabotage collection that recently dropped. You've got a mesh tongue, Pop Trading Co branding going up the top. You've got hits of baby blue there, baby blue there, baby blue there, and on the bottom, nope, you don't have baby blue. Like I said, really nice leather going all around. The only difference between this and other Lynx that I want to say is at the heel, you've got a mesh instead of a suede or leather panel. Apparent in the in other Lynxes, obviously you've got leather on the Lux pack, suede or synthetic, whatever that's on that pack. And on the inside, on the instep of the shoe, you don't really have the ventilation holes or the vent thingy that this has, basically. I like this touch. It keeps it like a lot more premium. I think the Buscemi one also did it similarly in this fashion as well. One of the things that I want to geek out about is the jewel swoosh. Being an avid footwear guy myself, the only problem with this sort of stuff is that it's bonded onto the shoe, right? So it's glued on. Glue will melt over time if you don't wear your kicks. If you keep them in Malaysian weather, it will really melt, and I'm happy because I don't have to worry about this falling off. But this being a white colorway, it will obviously then fade to yellow over time. So they're still on the DC website, by the way. If you wanted to cop a pair, probably might double up for myself, but let's see where we are in a few weeks time. Like I said, going around the shoe, you get the same leather panel, same material, same texture, same everything. You get the Pop Trading Co. POP at the back there, white pull tab. The only thing I'm really mad about this shoe is that it's all white, but hey, that's life. On the inside, you get a white lining on the collar, and also for the inside of the tongue. And the footbed is a baby blue to correspond with whatever's going on here, with the Pop Trading Co. branding inside, as you can see. And on the bottom, the outsole is a white cup sole stitched at the front, and it's done up in a gum colorway, which to guys like me that like to wear Air Force Ones, you always want the Air Force Ones with the white gum, with the gum bottoms, because you wouldn't have to worry so much about cleaning this shit and it like going yellow and all that. But yeah, that's essentially the Lynx OG Pop Trading Co. Definitely something that you would want to cop if you are a collector like myself. For some reason, I just think that collecting skate shoes like this is kind of like collecting Jordan 1s in today's sneaker environment, sneaker climate, because cup sole will break over time. Yes, probably 20 years plus, but you don't have like foam cracking. I'll just do this just because, but we got the beast of the skate shoe here, the D3. I've worn this multiple times and it still looks brand new, but this foam will crack over time. Most of you that are very well acquainted with me know that multiple pairs have crumbled on me over time. So what I just wanted to say was basically this style of a shoe is much more easy to maintain, because once the glue falls off, all you gotta do is just stitch all around. Bada bing, bada boom, you're done. And with that being said, bada bing, bada boom, DC Lynx OG Pop Trading Co. The classic white gum colorway with the jewel swoosh, looking all Spice Girls on you right there. TJ got Kicks 89. Catch you guys in the next one.